عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته khayraadka qiimaha badan waa walaalkeen Cabdinaasir Cali Janaal kusoo dhawaada walaalkayga janaalkayga cawada dowladda waxaa sareynaa beeska
diiradda waxaan saaraynaa sax
beeska 2020ga ayaa cawada diiradda sareynaa
what do you mean beeska 2020 I don't understand
insha Allah
what do you mean that
wuu soo kacayaa in yar ayuu sugeynaa shaqadu wuu wadayaa saa u jeednaba masha Allah soo bilow kor iska dheh margay waa kana hadda waxaan doonaynaa insha Allah dowladda beeska connected waa laba meel action match iyo c match action match waa aniga ayaa ciyaaraya kan kalena waa computerka marka action match ayaa galaya waxaa leeyahay nakasti marka waa kana intan ayaa jirto beginner akooda hore ka bilaabeynaa soo qabsay nakaside intan borteria midkan difaaca inta ka ahayn inta kale waa madow waaye masha Allah wuu raadinayaa waa walaalkeen Cabdinaasir Cali subscribe saar like share comment mid
Well, a very warm welcome to you on this most pleasantly clear evening. Conditions absolutely beautiful. Perfect for the beautiful game. Temperatures are kind as well. No doubt playing a hand in high attendance levels as well as an elevated level of anticipation here. Surely this is the hot ticket going around in this neck of the woods. It surely must be. One glance and you know where we are. It is one of the most recognisable arenas for the beautiful game in the world. And boy, does it add to the occasion. Well, as you can see, we've already started here. Who do you, Jim, see making the difference here? Yeah, I'm not sure. And the shot! It's in! Listen, the big names earn their reputations for precisely the reason we've just seen. They have a habit of making their presence felt, and here we are, early stages. He struck one, and he looks hungry for more. Manchester United take the early advantage. Messi. Now it's Cavani. Defenders on the back foot. Good idea, just poorly executed. Umtiti. And it's Mane. Hoists it high. Mane needed to come up with a better ball.
Was too timid to make it through the defence. It'll be noted and improved upon, I'm sure.
Now it's Dembele. Battles to win it back. And now the breakaway. Receives it in a good position. He's had a go! It's in! All too easy! They are in danger of disappearing out of sight!
Well, you know, thinking about that, I think they've perfected that on the training ground because it took them seconds to get the ball from back to front, and they really commit forward in numbers too. That was all very well drilled.
Manchester United grab a couple of goals without reply. It's 2-0.
Well, that second goal has given them so much more command and confidence now, and they should be able to take it on from here and either add to their lead or close it out. Surely they'll manage one or the other.
Saul. Now it's Mane. And Mane! Oh, great save. Real class.
Mane sparked a tremendous stop there, and I think it's fair to add, he just wasn't expecting it.
Now it's Messi. And it's Cavani. Oh, well intercepted. Really alert to the danger. Barcelona have a free kick. Cavani. Mina. And it's played forward. Manchester United are ahead here. It has been a good half for them. He gets past his man. Mane has been found. Gulam. De Ligt. Gulam. Dinks one in. He's got options out wide. He's gone for it! Yes! And the lead is 3! It is surely done!
Manchester United are so well practiced in the art of keeping the ball through wonderful passing and movement and a real appetite to ensure it's reflected in their goal count.
inoo saarto qaybtan waa cashirkan ugu horeeyay iyo qaybtan ugu horeysay ولكن عبد الناصر على سبسكرايب صار لك.
And it's half time here. As easy as 1, 2, 3. It really has been that straightforward halfway through the match, but very little to suggest that much will change over the second half.
Peter, do I really need to say anything, or can I simply refer you to the scoreline?
Manchester United very much in control here, 3 up and cruising. Already up and running for the second half. He's looked long this time. Header! In it goes! Surely now they are well and truly out of sight. Great header, made it look easy.
Well, look, it's often the timing of the jump that dictates what you can do with any header, and if you get it slightly wrong, then you'll struggle. But that was beautifully met, it really was.
He snaffles his third, and that earns him the match ball.
Oh, this has been an immense contribution from one player. He's been just about unplayable. The irresistible force today.
Manchester United tear their opponents apart once again. They are utterly ruthless. Cavani gets it back. Now the counter. Griezmann.
شوتكو هوري يوسو قادم وامد كان وحين مريسا كونتينيو لح
De De Ligt.
هذا مثلا دفاع قضايا
Tries to stroke it through.
عوضي حكش انتهي بيسكا درايق صعشتن
And it's Cavani.
It
Was a move that looked promising, but eventually thwarted without doing any harm. Gets the better of his man. Now can he finish? Shooting chance! No, that's just wide.
Okay, it's come to nothing, but it's a warning of further threat on the break.
malahan Afrika badan waa gaansi karaa laakiin cashar ahaan ay ku bixinayo hada
Forward it goes. Good challenge. He just stood firm.
دفاع
Tries lifting it over. Cover. He's had a shot! Quick ball forward. Jordi Alba.
habida min waxa ceerina toobka
And that has put a stop to that. He's off on a marauding run. Piqué has given away a free kick.
fikiga ayaa la dhigay
It is a fair distance from goal. I'm not sure if he'll have a go. And here's big chance! Brought out the best in the keeper.
Quick thinking and quick control, Peter. That creates a little more working space.
Arthur.
haddana xarajiha gulshana dina raadiyo ciyaarta dhamarta dhamaada ku socota baashalka
Roberto.
baashalka iska dhafaa bunana kale
Mina plays it forward. And it's Mane. And the weighted pass. Well, he acknowledges that he should have come up with something better there.
Yeah, the idea was right. The delivery wasn't. They can revisit that further on.
Roberto. Looking to break out here.
waa fursadihii ugu dambeeyay
Floats one over. Henderson! And with that, the final whistle. Manchester United were irresistible here. Dominant.
ciyaartu dhamaatay waa saa aragtay insha Allah walaakiin Cabdinaasir cali subscribe ka saar like share comment midna ku iloobin habeen dambe waxaa sharxi doonaa qaybta ku xigto